Hi everyone, it's Mrs. McLean here. So, I really miss you. Everybody at school misses you, and hopefully you're missing us too. So, this is just a wee song that I've put together. It's a mixture of two songs, so I've called it Three Little Birds Said, Don't Worry, Be Happy. So, I hope when you listen to it, it makes you feel really positive, and I hope it makes you feel much better. Okay? Enjoy. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Here's a little song I sing, positivity I bring. Don't worry, be happy. In this life we have some trouble. If you worry, you make it double. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I had some worries in my head, then three little birds, they came and said, don't worry, be happy. Oh, you miss your family, miss your friends, but every storm comes to an end. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry, be happy. See you soon. Bye.